CN Freight. Almost missed it. So this is the Wellington Street Bridge, right at the throat of the yard here, Pointe St Charles, and this is a westbound freight that probably just came off the Victoria Bridge. The Victoria Bridge is under renovation there. Showers are continuing, and may or may not see the locomotives. There's the caboose, I just saw it. And there's the locomotives, they're behind the, behind that train there. So I got a 2-for-1, that's good. On a somewhat rainy day. Here in Pointe St Charles. I went out today, needed to get some exercise, and I figured, hey, let's come down here. I haven't been down here for a little while. Haven't got any freight trains down here, nothing but switcher action. It's been a long time since I've seen a freight train on this bridge, especially one on the track that's closest. Oh yeah, there's a venture train too in the back. And that red there is construction to reinforce this bridge, which really needs it. It's got a lot of erosion to the columns, to the point where the rebar is starting to show through and become rusted. And the rain stopped at just the right time, really. I was considering going home. And if I did, I would have missed this. Just a little perseverance. And that's it. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.